I'm Anna Vagin, and today I'm here with a sneak peek at assessment goals and progress. Just one of the PowerPoint presentations in Conversation Paths PAT expanded version. This PowerPoint set is to give you some things to think about when we're looking at assessing something as complicated as conversation, and then using rubrics to write goals and measure progress. There's a lot of information in this deck, including some detailed information on dynamic assessment, the way that we can use mediated learning experiences as part of our conversation assessment, a lot of information on rubrics and goals, and then some information on tracking progress. And that's what we're going to focus on right now. Because one of the slides talks about how we can measure time when we've made a recording. In this example that you can listen to and play when you are exploring the assessment portion of the Conversation Paths PAC extended version, is to listen to this recording I made of a session with a student, Brady. What is so wonderful about when you record a conversation is that you can use the timestamp on the recording to make some measurements, which is a wonderful way to get some data. And Brady and I did that with this, and we realized that she was really good with pop-ins and answers, but that for starters and questions took her a lot more time. What you see in this recording is the first half of the recording is with Brady taking the green part of the path, but then we switch so that Brady then is the blue part of the path. And what we noticed is that this question right here, even though she came up with a fabulous question for me, it took her 33 seconds to do that. And that really rang true to Brady. And she said, yes, it's really hard for me to come up with questions. And we agreed that that was something we could work on. And so that was just such a wonderful way to be able to use the recording and use data to really share with the student what I had in mind for her and what she thought was important, so we could agree on the goal that we were setting. That's just one part of the new expanded version. I'm really, really happy with this product. I think you will be too. Here's some of what's included. Again, it will be available in August of this year. Go to my website if you're not on my mailing list, www.socialtime.org. Sign up for my newsletter, and that'll keep you informed about when things are available. Thanks so much.